I didn't expect this to be the fastest car in Too Fast, Too Furious. In the previous video, we showed the rarest car from Too Fast, Too Furious. Now let's see which car is the fastest based on factory stock specs and reveal the top 5 plus the fastest car among them. At number 5, we have 1993 Toyota Supra Mark IV. Fourth place, 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR. Third place, 1995 Ferrari F355 Spider. Second place, 2000 Ferrari 360 Spider. When I compared the factory acceleration and top speed of these cars, I was honestly surprised that the Dodge took first place. First place, the fastest car on this list, and the fastest car in Too Fast, Too Furious. 2003 Dodge Viper SRT10. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.